Hammock camping is a form of camping where the camper sleeps in a hammock which is suspended on one or two or more supports. In hammock camping, you sleep on a suspended hammock under a tarp that provides you with the cover from rain and dewdrops. But the question arises here that what are the 6 alternative hammock camping without trees? So let's get started. Number 1. Portable hammock stands. Portable hammock stands are great alternative for trees. There are several great DIY solutions for making a hammock stand. But in fast moving world, who has time for making a hammock stand? The solution is that there are ready-made portable hammock stands available in the market and they can do a great job in setting up a hammock. They are easy to set up and are very durable. You can carry them around very easily. One problem that persists with all the hammock stands is that they need a level of surface placed on it. It is possible to set up a hammock on a hammock stand where the surface is uneven. It is not at all possible. Having one foot set on the stand higher than the other can set you in falling off the hammock. If you are going out for beaches, parks or camping, carrying a portable stand with you can save a lot of time and effort. Number 2. Using a car or truck. Suppose you went somewhere for camping with a hammock, but you couldn't find 2 adequate trees with the required distance. There has to be something for setting up the hammock, isn't it? In that case, you can use car or truck that you bought off-site to the campsite. Now at one end you can use the car or truck that you bought and at the other end you can use tree. It is one of the best creative ways to hang a hammock. A car or truck that can be bulky support for the hammock, and the best thing is that it won't break. Just for safety, you can block the path of the car by placing 2 stones to stop the front wheel from moving. Number 3. Using poles or posts. Telephone poles, fence posts can act as a very good support for a hammock. You can even carry around a pole to fix to the ground for setting up hammocks. It is one of the best hammock ideas without trees. The added benefit of this way is that you don't have to carry the support around. Although in some cases you may have to carry a wooden post for the support at one end. You have to consider the strength of the pole first, though whether it can hold your weight before you can set the hammock or not. When you are at a higher altitude, there will be very few trees available, but you have a lot of hard rocks and boulders. And the question arises here that how to hang a hammock without trees. In this case, you need to get creative and you can tie one end to the boulder and the other end to the tree. You need to consider the elevation you will get, but for an alternative, it's a great option. In places where the terrain is rocky and you need to set up a hammock, you can use this method. Number 5. Buildings. To set up a hammock, you can try outdoor structures such as pavilions, rain shelters or sides of buildings. These types of buildings are usually available in the state parks or park areas. This lets you hang a hammock without the use of any trees and thus solving your issue of finding them. You can experience an enjoyable camping trip. You can tie one end to the sturdy pole or post while the other tied to the building. You just need to be careful that you tie the ends hard to ensure that they don't untie while you are lying on the hammock. Number 6. Hammock structures. There are some hammock structures set up here in the US where you can hang your hammock. One of the main advantages of these structures is that they allow you to hang your hammock with others without having to spread out much. These kinds of structures are available all over the cities, like in public places and universities. So you can try them. Before ending this video, why don't you check out our blog where we have written a lot of things regarding how and what to do when you're going out for camping. So please check it out. Link will be in the description box below. Do you have any other alternative method for tying up the hammock? Please write us down in the comment section below. We would love to read them. And if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the post notification button so that you will be notified every time we'll be posting some amazing content like this. So see you guys in the next one.